So what you do is you do this, and then some of those fall, and then you pull the lever out, and then you look behind the cotton ball, and then you get your shopkin.
Neat.
Can I do it again?
Yeah.
I put a cotton ball so it'll hold the thing up so it won't break.
Okay.
So boom. Oops.
And what are the significance of the stickers?
So they're free.
Oh, okay.
And people can get them if they want them.
I see.
And let me get these all out. Just stuck at the bottom then. Oh, it broke. Is this going to YouTube? Oh, whatever. I have my own YouTube channel. I'm just going to forgive myself for doing this.
Whatever.
So, let's try that again.
So I like the inner mechanics you've worked out there.
Yeah,
Explain how you did that.
I put a piece of cardboard here, and it was for holding up this, and you can slide money under this, because this right here is a little door in case someone wants to put money for how smart you are. And then you could just pick the money up at the end of the day.
That is a great idea.
And then this is how you actually get the Shopkin to get out. You just tap it a little bit, and then you just pull this to make it release onto the cotton ball.
Awesome.
Then it'll just fall out. So you could put these back in and try it again. I have too many Shopkins, by the way. See, look. See, that thing fell. And then you do this.
Nice.
Cardboard. I mean,
Yeah, I think it's not.
perfect.
Hey, it's a work in progress.
Yes, it is. I should improve it with metal.
Yes.
Probably not metal yet. Maybe the cotton balls are in the wrong place. Oh, I know what I have to do. I just have to lift that thing out. Or stuff it behind here. See, now it should work. It should work now because I fixed it.
Okay.
Look, it worked.
It worked. Good job.
See, then you move the cotton ball.
Yeah.
Lots of Shopkins to play with.
Well, that's pretty fancy. I think it's a great idea,
Oh, also,
and you should keep working on it.
Also, the one that I made for Daddy too. I'm gonna make Mama's one. And then this is the thing that I made for Daddy. The thing. So you push down on this, and that has little things that saying you're the best and stuff. Push down on that, and it releases a little thing to do that. And then you push down on this, and then it comes out at the bottom.
Awesome.
And then, like for instance, it says, you're the best on it. See, and then you just reload it back up. And then you can go pew, 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 pew.
Oh, I'm filming.
Yeah, and that's going to YouTube.
Awesome. Hey, look, and it shoots
That
stuff.
was a malfunction. But it can, see?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it also counts as something that can...
Yeah, you could like shoot. It's like a catapult.
Suicide. Oh, that wasn't suicide.
Okay. Well, you have some very good inventions, and I look forward to seeing how they progress.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.